In today's tech tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to block unwanted notifications on Google Chrome. Now, if you've ever been to a website and accidentally subscribed to notifications, you know that they send them pretty often, and they're usually right in the middle of when you're trying to do something. So, you'll start by going to Chrome, Settings, Content Notifications. I'll paste that URL in the description, and it brings you to this page. So you can see that I have not allowed to send notifications for a few websites that I accidentally subscribed to in the past. And then I also have some that I have subscribed to, like Calendar and Messages, because I want to get their notifications. Now let's just say Calendar has been annoying me. You can go to More Actions. I can block it. I can remove it. And that'll stop the notifications. And I can do the same thing here. If I wanted to get more notifications from these websites, I could go ahead and remove them off the blocked list and add them to the allowed list. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.